Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode we're talking about how you can make money by selling digital products. Hope you enjoy today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and today we're talking about how you can start making money by selling digital products. Now, what exactly is a digital product and how do you sell them? Well, a digital product can be a number of different things. It could be pictures, it could be music, it could be a 2 to 5 page PDF. It could be a digital ebook. It could be assets for doing videos like the one I'm doing right now. It could be graphics. It can be animations. There is a literal ton of different digital products that you can create yourself and sell, or purchase the rights to be able to use commercially, and then you can sell those as well. It's fairly simple in order to create many of the different digital products. And if you don't feel like creating your own, as I said, there are places out there that do sell digital products that you can label as your own. And how do you sell these? Well, you can do that in a number of ways too. You can, one, have them listed on your own website, take payment right there immediately, and then they can purchase that digital item. You can use sites like Teespring, which have a built-in feature specifically for digital products. ConvertKit, which is used for an email list, has also integrated this into their system as well. And then you have other places like Shopify, Printly, and Printify that are also integrating these types of systems into their apparel setups as well. And there's many other different ways that you can do this, whether it's on your own site or one of the third-party sites. But you do also want to look at the terms of use for those different websites out there that allow you to sell digital products. You can even, in some cases, like Facebook, also has the ability to sell items on there. But as I said, make sure that you abide by terms of service. That way you have less complications with your sales and creating your business on the various different platforms. And these digital products can range anywhere from cents. We'll say a little graphic could be 99 cents, upwards of dollars. Or you could have songs that are $2, $3. You could sell whole entire musical albums that you've created for $10, $15, $20, and so on. There are many different options out there for you to be able to sell digital products. And this is just one of many different ways for you to be able to make money from home and online. If you're interested in learning more about this topic and any of the other topics I've been discussing here on the channel, head on over to consulttheblindguy.com/blog, where you can read an article on selling digital products, as well as everything else that I've been covering on the channel. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. And if you're interested, you could also purchase a copy of my book, Income Booster: 100 Plus Businesses that you could start from home and ditch the 9 to 5. No matter your age or your situation, there is something in there that can help you start making money from home or online today, within as little as a few minutes from watching this video. Until the next time, I hope you have a great day or evening and stay safe, and we'll see you in the next episode.